so you want to have a better smile. Orthero clear aligners have changed thousands of lives and smiles around the globe. Orthero has one main goal: to give you a brand new smile and exuding confidence to help you achieve your goals and move forward to what's ahead of you. So, what is Orthero? Orthero is a clear aligner that is nearly invisible, removable, and comfortable to wear. It is used and trusted by dentists in straightening teeth. It is also made of 100% medical grade plastic materials that are biocompatible and safe to use. Why choose Orthero? Orthero is removable. You can eat any food that you love and enjoy your time with friends and family. As they say, laughter is brightest where food is best. Maintaining your oral hygiene is also easy, as you can brush and floss your teeth anytime you need to. Orthero is comfortable. Do the activities you love, whether at home, at work, or in school, or while playing the game you love without the pain of wires and brackets. Orthero is invisible. Orthero is made of safe-to-use plastic material that is nearly invisible and looks good on your teeth. Nobody would notice you are wearing one and aligning your teeth. How does Orthero work? During your appointment, your Orthero certified provider will take photos of your profile and teeth and take a panoramic X-ray to diagnose and create a customized treatment plan. Your doctor will also perform an intraoral scan to create a digital impression and take the accurate position of your teeth. Your doctor will securely send your data to the Orthero Digital Lab to create a 3D treatment analysis that will serve as a roadmap and simulate the movement of your teeth from start to finish. Once the analysis has been approved, your Orthero clear aligners will be manufactured in our facility using one of the most advanced and accurate 3D printers in the market. Quality is important to us. All Orthero clear aligners are checked for quality and maximum performance. Once everything is good and checked, your Orthero clear aligners will then be shipped and delivered to your doctor's office. Your doctor will then set another appointment with you to install your aligners and start your Orthero smile journey. Your doctor will also monitor your progress online to ensure success in every step in aligning your teeth. This means fewer visits to the doctor's clinic and more time for you to do the things that you love. Are you ready to begin your journey for a brand new smile? Starting with Orthero is easy. First questions, our friendly people here at Orthero will help you start your journey to a brand new smile. Smile with confidence with Orthero clear aligners.